A follower sent me a DM last week. They had seen one of my videos and were worried. A heart surgery for his father done 11 years ago was not disclosed when they bought their health insurance. The agent from whom he had bought the policy had mentioned that if they declare the surgery, then the policy won't be issued. He convinced them that since the illness is old, such a declaration is not required. The customer also wanted the policy, so he agreed with the agent. Now, this customer wants to know what he should do. Here's the honest truth. When you fill your insurance proposal form, you are entering into a legal contract, and that contract runs on just one principle: utmost good faith, complete honesty, no exceptions. Please understand, the insurance company needs to do a complete risk assessment before they issue the policy. अगर मान लो आपको पास में कुछ health issue आया था, but now as per doctor reports you are fine. But it's not the same for the insurer, because insurance company सोचती है if this customer had some past issue, same or similar could arise again. So for example, if you had kidney stone surgery 10 years ago, disclose it. That childhood asthma, disclose it. That back pain 7 months ago, disclose it. If you miss something, mention it now. Because if you don't और उसके related कुछ दूसरा problem भी आ गया, the insurer won't call it a mistake. They'll call it a non-disclosure of material facts. And then they will have the power and the right to reject the claim and cancel your policy. So here's the only rule that actually protects you. Over disclose everything in your medical history. When in doubt, mention it. Let the insurer decide if it is relevant or irrelevant. That's their job. Let them do their job. One more important thing. If your agent encourages you to not disclose something, कि मत बताओ सर जरूरत नहीं है, that agent is not a good agent. Stay away from it. Subscribe to Beshak for more such insights.